Yeah, today I am going to explain how to find cube root by using estimation method. By using estimation method, how to find cube root. What is the meaning of estimation? Estimation means we don't want to find out exact value, we want to find out approximate value. How to find cube root of approximate value? First, before that, I want to give what is the number, what is the cube of that number. Note down firstly. Yes. Note down here number. Next, cube. In previous class already I told you learn 1 to 20, minimum 1 to 10 cube of that digit. Number is 1. 1 cube is what? 1. Next, number 2. 2 cube means 8. Next, number 3. 3 cube means 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Next, 4. 4 cube. 4 4 the 16. 16 4 the 64. Next, digit is 5. 5 square 25. 25 into 5, 125. Students, are you observing how am I writing? One's place is 1, 8, 27, 10's place 2 digit, 64 2 digit, 125 3 digit, write properly. Next, 6. 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. Cube of 7. 7 7 are 49, 49 7 are 343. Next, cube of 8. 8 8 are 64, 64 8 are 512. 9. Cube of 9. 9 9 are 81, 81 9 are 729. Last is 10. 10 cube means 1000. Now this concept we are going to learn, we are going to use in how to find cube root by using estimation method. Now keep heading everyone. Estimation of cube root. Estimation of cube root. Estimation of cube root. Estimation of cube root. Means I want to find out cube root by using estimation concept. What is the meaning of estimation? Approximate value or nearly equal to value. We are not going to find exact value. We are going to find approximate value nearly equal to value. Yes. All students stop writing. First example I am writing, concentrate that example. Don't write any student, concentrate here. Yeah. Listen carefully everyone. Don't write student. Find the cube root of, don't write. Find the cube root of, find the cube root of 912673 by estimation method. Don't write question. by estimation method. Now listen carefully, students, how to find cube root by using estimation method. What is the meaning of how we will apply here estimation concept in this given value? Concentrate everyone here. Very easy concept, student, don't worry. Firstly, digit he has given 912673. If I want to find out cube root, firstly I want to make 3 pair from the right side. First step. If I want to find out cube root of given digit, firstly I want to make pair from the right side. Okay, I want to make pair from the right side. 6731 pair, 912 is second pair, 61912 is first pair, and 673 is second pair. Now I want to find out cube root of this digit. How to find cube root of this digit? Firstly, first step, I want to make pair from the right side. First pair completed. Second step, I want to check what is the ones place. Ones place digit is 3. I want to find out 3 cube. 3 cube is equal to 27. Listen carefully. First step, I have made the pair from the right side. After pairing, I have taken ones place. Unit digit is 3. 3 cube means 27. Next, second pair is 912. Second pair is 912. Now I want to check which perfect cube value is coming less than or greater than. Suppose I am taking 9 cube. 9 cube is equal to 729. 729. Next, 10 cube is equal to 1000. Listen carefully, students. 9 cube I have taken 729. 10 cube I have taken 1000. Now 1000 is greater than 912. And 9 cube 729 is less than 912. We want to take always smallest value. 9 cube and 10 cube. 9 is smallest or 10 is smallest? Which is the smallest? 9 is the smallest. Smallest number is equal to 9. Again, listen carefully. Whatever digit I have given, I have made pair from the right side. After that, I have taken ones place. Ones place digit is 3. 3 cube is equal to 27. After that, second pair I have checked 912. I want to take two value. One value is greater than, second value is less than. But always I will take less smallest value. Smallest value is 9. Now, what is our answer? Smallest value is 9. This will write 9 this side, left side, and once a place of this digit I will write here. Once a place of digit will write here. Our answer is 97. This is approximate value of this digit. Cube root of 912673 is equal to, not is equal to, approximate value, nearly equal to 97. Note down everyone. First question. Again, listen carefully, students, how to find cube root of given digit. First step, I want to make pair from the right side. I made the pair. After making pair, I want to check what is the ones place. Ones place digit is 3. 3 cube is equal to 27. 27 means ones place I want to write here. Next second pair is 912. Now I want to take two value. One value is less than, second value is greater than. 9 cube is equal to 729. 10 cube means 1000. Now we want to take smallest value. Smallest value is 9. Answer is from right, left side is coming 9 and right side is coming 7. Our answer is 97. This is called approximation method. This answer is not exact answer, nearly equal to answer. Example 2, find the cube root of, example 2, find the cube root of 42,875 42,875 by approximation method, estimation method. By estimation method. Again, those students are unable to understand. Again, I'm explaining, concentrate here. How to find cube root of this digit. Concentrate again here, second example. Yes. Solution. What is first step? I want to make pair from the right side. Digit he has given, digit is 42,875. I want to make pair from the right side, not left side. I want to make pair from the right side, not left side. Dhruv Kumar, listen carefully. We want to make pair from the right side. Yes. First step completed. What is second step? I want to find out cube root of ones place. What is ones digit? Ones place digit is 5. 5 cube is equal to 125. Now 125, which value I want to write here? 5 will write here. Okay, this keep in mind. Next, second pair is 42. Now 42, I want to take two value. One value will be less than, second value will be greater than. Now, if I want to take 3 cube, 3 cube is equal to 27. Next, 4 cube is equal to 64. Now, students, you are observing first value is less than 42. Second value is the greater than 42. Which value I want to take here? Smallest value. What is the smallest value? 3. Smallest value is 3. Now, what is answer? Answer is 35. This is 3 from left side, 5 from right side. Cube root of, don't forget to mention 3. 3 means cube root. If you are not mentioning 3, that is square root. Cube root of 42,875 nearly equal to 35. Example 3, note down everyone. Find the cube root of example 3. Find the cube root of, start writing everyone along with me. Find the cube root of 56,819 by estimation method. Start solving, everyone. $56,819. Yeah, those are unable to solve. Again, I'm explaining this question. Concentrate here. Yes. Digit is 56,819. I want to make pair from the right side. This is our first step. 819 and 5. Now I want to find out ones place cube of 1 unit place. 9 cube. 729. Next. Second pair is 56. Now we want to take two approximate cube values. 3 cube is equal to 27. 4 cube is equal to 64. But we want to select the smallest value. Smallest value is 3. From right side number will come 9. And from left side digit will come 3. Answer is 39. Cube root of 56819 nearly equal to 39. I hope students you got it. Yes. Next, example 4. Write the number of digits. Example 4. Write the number of digits Example 4. Write the number of digits Write the number of digits Write the number of digits in the cube root in the cube root in the cube root of the following cubes. Of the following cubes. First question, 36073. Now in this, I want to find out how many number of digits are there. We want to make pair from the right side, and he has given in the question, write the number of digit in the cube root. Means I want to make 3 pair from the right side. 3 pair digits I want to make from the right side. First pair is 370. Second pair is 36. How many number of digit is there? 2 is the number of digit. Without no need to solve. Number of digits. Number of digit is equal to 2. B question, 873652. Again, I want to make pair from the right side. I want to make pair from the right side. 246378. Number of digit is what? Number of digit is equal to 3. C question, 8736 9278. I want to check how many numbers of digits are there. I want to make pair from the right side. First pair, second pair, third pair. Number of digit is equal to 3. Note down everyone. Section C, page number 12. Yeah, third bit. Yeah, solve the following crossword puzzle. First across, he has asked first question. The cube of a number is the number raised to the power of 3. First answer note down, 3. First answer is 3. And in the box he has given across means horizontally. You want to enter each and every letters with the help of capital letters. T, H, R, E, E. Whatever box here they have given, you want to enter with the help of capital letters, not small letter. But answer will write here small letter. First completed. Now firstly I am explaining across. Next, second question. If in a prime factorization of any number, each factor appears 3 times, then number is called what? Perfect cube. Perfect. Next, third. Once a digit of a cube of 53 is, once a place of 50, if I want to take cube of 53, what is the ones place? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Ones place is coming 7. Answer is 7. Again, I am repeating, students, don't write small letters in the box. Use capital letter, fill the by using capital letters only. Don't write small letters. Fourth, the symbol base 3 is used to denote cube root. Cube root. Fifth, there are perfect cube in between 1 to 100. How many perfect cube will come between 1 to 100? Answer will become 4. Because 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. But we want answer below 100. Answer is 4. Now across completed. Next down. Down means vertical. A number which can be expressed as sum of two perfect cubes in two different way is known as Hardy-Ramanujan. This is the new concept. Note down. Hardy-Ramanujan. Seventh, cube of an even number is always even number. You can take any example. Suppose even number, first even number is 2. 2 cube I want to find out. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. Answer will become always even number. Eighth, if 5 appears 6 times in the prime factorization of cube number, then 5 will appear in the prime factorization of cube root of the number. Read the question again, everyone. If 5 appears 6 times in the prime factorization of a cube number, then 5 will appear in the prime factorization of cube root of that number. 5, then 5 will appear twice in the prime factorization. Twice. Ninth, yeah. For a positive integer, a greater than 1, a cube is always greater than a square. Obviously, cube will be always greater than square. Greater. 10th question. Cube root of negative number is always negative. Yes. Now take fresh page, everyone. On the top, keep heading. Chapter 2, identities. Take fresh page. On the top, keep heading. Chapter 2, identities. First chapter was very big chapter. Yeah. Now down chapter 2. Yeah. My favorite topic. I like more algebra. Chapter 2, identities. Yeah. Take fresh page. On the top, keep heading. Chapter 2, identities. Yeah. Now listen carefully, students.